Say nigga, this probably some of the realest shit I ever wrote. Probably some of the realest shit you ever heard quoted. My story. I remember having no lights in the crib. Had to go to granny house just to get a meal. Mama working 2 jobs just so we can live. Daddy on that bullshit, guess he didn't care. I never saw a woman shed so many tears till I watched them white folks come and take her fucking crib. Broke my mama's spirit, she out there pleading for her kids. When they put off with her trailer, she just dropped to her knees. They say life is a bitch, shit amen. I watched my daddy cheat on my mama with a sin. I guess the vows that they took was a motherfucking game, cause he had 2 kids by that bitch, what a shame. Who can I blame for this unwanted pain? Stuck and confused, just standing in the rain, trying to figure out will the sun shine again. Looking to the sky, asking God for understanding, for real.
Standing in the rain.
Yeah, man, I remember times, man, when there wasn't no food in the house to eat. I mean, no lights in the crib. I mean, there wasn't even no motherfucking heat warm winter, man. Me, my little brother, my mom, and them, we had together up in the motherfucking living room on one mattress, nigga, like 4-5 blankets to stay warm. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, nigga didn't have a good life all his life, but nigga was blessed. You know what I'm saying? Mama was a soldier. She made sure the house was good. And I thank her for everything she done for a nigga, man. That's why I'm in this bitch pushing. That's why I keep pushing.
As I got a little older, became a little wiser. Told myself it was all about survival. Hopped up off the porch, nigga, headed to the corner. Got my first pack, I was posted on the corner. All night working on the block trying to get it. School in the morning, but I was on a mission. Brand new J's in a new era fitted. Down on Armstrong trying to fatten up my dick. Watching big homie them shine through the city. Candy on the color flicking hard on them 20s. I said to myself, that's how a nigga handle business. Dressed to impress like he modeled for Coogee. Heavy ice on him, had him looking like a cooler. Bitches screaming DP, yeah, fucking corner. I'm in the backseat just soaking up the game. Moved to Dallas, Texas with my big cousin Wayne. He got there doing his thing, not enough just to get by. Had a plug on that green, fucking with this nigga tie. True story, no lie, dog. I was 18. My cousin Bullethead gave me a rental car full of weed. Now I'm on the interstate, boys, time to get it in. Headed to the city, straight profit, all the niggas seen. Selling boys whole piece, I ain't even need a scale. Get it all gone, re-up, then I'm back again.
Standing in the rain.
Yeah, man, I seen the way my big homie them was getting it, man. You know what I'm saying? I like the way them niggas was dressed and flying shit, man, and I wanted that type of shit. And I knew the only way to get it, man, was to get out there and get it, man. So, nigga, I was head first, nigga, into the game, nigga. You know what I'm saying? No assistance with it, nigga, just by my motherfucking self on the block thugging. Trying to make something happen for myself, man. You know what I'm saying? I came from a life of poverty, man, a life of nothing. And I wanted something, and I knew the only way to get it, nigga, was to go get it. Only the strong survive, man. And that's what I am, I'm strong, nigga. Still strong.
I switched my game up, plug on that fish scale. Bought my first ounce in the bathroom at Taco Bell. Wasn't a line of clientele, shit kinda slow for me. Till I met this white chick that had a lot of homies that love to get their nose dirty. Feeling like I'm on my way. All I ever wanted was a kilo in a gold chain. Met that nigga Mo who put me up with the Birdman. Now I'm in this bitch ballin' hard like LeBron James. My trap house booming. Surveilling cameras like a movie. 18 ounces on the stove, man. I'm going through this. Niggas couldn't fuck with me, man, cause I'm getting it in. Seen the tables turn, now they asking me to front them. Now I'm on no big rims, bitches hollering let me in. Haters looking long faced and lit lead a fucking man. They ain't even understand heart of a hustler by any means necessary. Rise above your limits, bro. Niggas wanna pull you down, bitches wanna fuck now. Jackets on every corner waiting on you to come around. Fall up in the club and treat you like you a star now. Bitches with the groupies and your niggas that y'all balled out. Thinking about the time, no food in the fucking house. Now you eating steaks when you wanted at the steakhouse. Tearing up the mall, different states that you touched down. Knowing one day would be better, see the sun now.